There's concern a new round of wind this week could whip up 3 large wildfires currently burning in Northern California. The lava fire covers 39 square miles, but it's currently 71% contained, according to the Shasta Trinity National Forest. The remaining evacuation orders were downgraded to warnings, and the Tenet fire covers 16.5 square miles. It's currently 53% contained, with evacuation orders and warnings continuing. And the Salt fire, that's north of Redding, increased to 20% contained, with nearby communities remaining under evacuation orders and warnings. Katie Johnston for CBSN Bay Area.